So the next question, explain briefly the elitist theory of democracy. So this is contemporary theory of democracy, which is different from classical theory. Classical theory believes that democracy is ruled by the people, for the people, of the people. But elitist theory believe that in society, elites are always less and commoners are always more, and minority elites rule over the majority commoners. So elitist theory is contemporary theory. It is more focusing on how and in what form democratic forms of government are realized, and it comes from sociology: who is ruling, who is dominating. So first and foremost name is Pareto, who gives the theory of circulation of elites. Two level of circulation, two kinds of elites: governing elite, non-governing elite. Governing elite is political elite, non-governing elite is social elite, and there is one circulation. And another circulation, elites may come down to commoners, commoners may reach to elites. So society is dynamic. Pareto gives psychological basis of eliteness. Commoners are commoners because they are irrational or irrational, and elites, governing elites, have both lion and fox like qualities, and social elites, they have money, power, wealth, power, or status. So there is circulation because power corrupts power holders, and by remaining in power, the lion like qualities degrades. So this is the reason why no political elite is ever stable or everlasting. So Pareto says that elites are those who have talent and intelligence. Different thinkers are different on the ground of eliteness, but they all claim they have pessimistic view of democracy, that democracy is not ruled by the people, for the people, of the people. It is ruled by the elites, for the elites, and of the elites. So this is pessimistic view. This highlights imperfections in liberal democracy. And first is Pareto, who talks about the circulation of elites theory. Then Mosca, he says elites are those who have capacity of organization. He talks about elite class, that is economic basis of elite class. Those who are economically dominant, they will be elites and they will be ruling the society. However, C. Wright Mills talk about power elite. He rejected Mosca's elite class theory. He says it's not economic power, it's ownership of military weapon industry in America, which led to the elites there, because he analyzed the social background of the American presidents, and most of the Republican American presidents were those who either had their own military industry or they had collaboration with military arms industry. So he talks about power elite. And there are other thinkers, Schumpeter, who says that the problem is not the commoners are not always capable of self rule. They are just like ship, and the shipmen will guardian the common people. So Schumpeter also talks about the elite, the nature of elite class, that the common people are not capable of self rule. Then Sartori says the problem is not the elite rule. Problem will arise in case of absence of elites. There will be anarchy, lawlessness, chaos, and so uncertainty. So Sartori talks about the highlight the importance of elite class. Then Raymond Aron. So he says that nothing fails like success. He differentiated between communist elites in single party communist system and that of divided elites in liberal democracy. In liberal democracy, there is check and balance, while in single party communist system, there is no checks and balance, and there is misuse of power more. So different kinds of elitist thinkers are there, be it Pareto, be it Schumpeter, be it Mosca, be it C. Wright Mills, be it Mitchell. Mitchell talks about iron law of oligarchy. He says that political elites discourage common people from joining politics. They only promote their own kiths and kins, their own sons and daughters. And This is iron law of oligarchy. This highlights dynastic politics, that dynasty and is the reason for eliteness. It's not your talent, not your intelligence, not your hard work, not your anything, any other factor, but dynastic politics. So different thinkers differ in the basis of eliteness, but they all claim that minority elites will rule the majority commoners, is highlighting the imperfections of democracy.